The power of magnets. These are Samsquanite cobalt something. Where's the box? Oh, it's not in there anymore. Samsquanite cobalt. Very brittle, but unlike neodymium, they don't demagnetize with heat. This is the bed. What I ended up doing, I'm still impressed by the accuracy of the CNC machine. It's got a piece of wood in it for the minute, but all the pockets fit perfect. Perfect. Chef's kiss. Mwah! What I ended up doing was centre punching, just to squish them in so they don't come out. Is it strong enough? I don't know.